Hey guys, in this video we're going to be talking about this. This is the Giraffe Tools pressure washer. Absolutely love it. You get 100 feet of retractable hose, which is absolutely amazing. I do want to thank Giraffe Tools for sending me this unit for review. It's my unbiased opinion. They just sent it to me, but they didn't pay me or anything. To give you an idea, I also have this, but I also have the pro version as well. I'll be doing a separate video for that later on, but we're going to be talking about this guy right here. So a few things I actually added onto this to make it a lot better. Same thing that went with the pro version. So one, I added this right here, end stop, so that way when it's actually sitting right here, water doesn't drip after I used it. So that's going to be a huge plus because I got really tired of having like a little pool of water. So this is going to help out. Second thing is adding these quick disconnects. So this is going to make your life so much easier because they don't come with it. So originally you had to screw these on, which gets tiring over a period of time. What's going to be nice is that you're able to just interchange this, which is going to be really nice. So for example, one, if you use the basic one that Giraffe Tool supplies, or you wanted to have a short throw pressure gun, or you just have different options, it's going to make your life so much easier, similar to like how you had your tips where you're able to quickly remove and then add the included soap dispenser. It's going to make your life easier, so I recommend buying that. It is separate, unfortunately, but it's going to make your life so much easier. The other cool thing with this is that it's going to allow you to add or remove slack on here. So by default, I think it comes like this. You simply unscrew the Phillips head on both ends, and then you could either lengthen or shorten. The cool thing with that is, let's say you have this mounted a lot higher, you want to have more slack, so it just makes it easier for you to grab. But in this case, I have it readily available. I want the slack as low as possible. Just makes it look a lot cleaner. When you have the gun in here as well, it doesn't look good. So that's also why I added the functionality with the quick disconnect, because it would have looked like that dangling. That doesn't look good at all. The other thing is I added these 90 degrees. It does come with the hose, but I added a shorter one. This is just the unit that came this is the unit that I already had with my Pro series. This uses the same mount as the Pro, which is really nice. So I was able to just not have to remount it. So that's really cool. Let's get this right here. It's 100 feet of retractable hose, which is freaking amazing. And then let's just show you how this works. So a little bit of water is going to come out. Look how easy that was to just connect. Let's turn this on, and I want to show you how easy it is to actually use and operate. So I'll give myself a little bit more slack. Look how easy it is. Here's the awesome thing. This has an auto alignment reel, which is really nice. It's also pre-lubricated, but it's so easy to just make sure it aligns up so you won't get any type of tangles. This one doesn't have self-aligning, and look how easy it is. Like, it's not I guess it's not straight or anything. This one ensures that it's all leveled, which is really nice. That makes a huge difference, and it makes it easy to just pull. I freaking love this. All right, let's turn this on. It's super quiet as well. Just takes a few seconds. This has a soft start and soft end, which is really going to be nice. It's going to preserve the motors of this bad boy. Let me just press the trigger real quick. There you go. Press it again. There is going to be a delay when you press the trigger on this guy, just because of that soft start. The delay is a little bit longer than a Pro Series, so if you don't like that delay, you would want to purchase a Pro Series, but this one's not bad at all, and you're going to be saving money. Look at that. So you got a nice spray on there, which is going to be nice, and the foam dispenser is also really cool. It's actually really thick, and if you use a filter right here, the foam actually gets thicker as well. So let me just show you an example of how the foam looks like real quick. That comes included with this bad boy. So this is how the soap gun looks like, and it just sits right here. I love how there's placements for the soap dispenser or the soap gun, and also the gun itself. So let's just go right here. This is plastic, and this is also metal, so be careful not to over tighten. Super easy to actually refill. Just grab your soap your desired soap, fill it in. I'm just gonna put a little bit and then also put a little bit of water as well. All right, so we filled it up, got the soap and the water in here. I'm not gonna put that much. I don't need to wash my car today. And then let's tighten it up. Here's the cool thing, just remove your tip and then you just lock this in. Make sure it's locked. The recommended rule, put this away so that way you don't lose it. The recommended rule is spray it on the ground just so if it were to come off, it doesn't damage your car. There you go. And then we're going to increase or decrease the foam. So let's add. So that's actually opened up all the way. And then look at it. There you go. Look how thick that foam is. Let's decrease just so you guys have an idea. So just water. And then when you increase it as well, you're able to get a lot of foam. Ooh. Oh, there you go. I was going the opposite direction. Boop. Here it is. Oh. Sorry guys, I guess I went in the wrong way. There we go. There we go. So look at that. And then when you're done with this, you could just disconnect it. So easy. And then just grab your tip. I personally like to use the white tip. It is a 40 degree and it tells you on here as well. And you can just rinse it off. The pressure on here is actually really nice. You could get pretty close without damaging the paint. Okay, so I'm just gonna rinse that off afterwards. But my goodness, dude, this is really nice. It keeps everything really tidy and organized because of the reel. Highly recommend. Absolutely love this thing.